Hello everyone, this is Team Meridian and we have built Zero Sync Debugger. Welcome to a Zero Sync Debugger, a memory-driven autonomous incident recovery platform. This system helps developers detect production bugs, recall similar past issues, reflect on previous fixes, and make smarter debugging decisions using AI agent memory. On the left side, we have the main navigation panel. Each section represents one part of the debugging workflow. This contains incident stream, memory timeline, engineering general, memory lifecycle, AI insights, platform analytics, and global settings. Together, this screen shows how the system moves from one error detection to the memory-based recovery. The first screen is the incident screen. This is the real-time command center where the active production incident appears. When an error is triggered, it shows up with the details like error type, message, service name, and the pipeline stage. This screen also shows system telemetry, service topology, active incident, AI diagnosis, patch outputs, and deployment logs. In real-world scenario, these help developers and DevOps teams monitor failure as they happen instead of manually searching log across different tools. Now I will click on simulate outage. This triggers a demo sequence with multiple production features like AI agents start processing each error step by step. It captures the incident query memory, recalls similar past cause, reasons about the root cause, generate a patch, validates it and moves towards the recovery. This demonstrates the complete autonomous debugging pipeline. The top bar also has individual error trigger. The null ref simulates a null reference issue. The division by zero simulates a division or invalid calculation error. The root match simulates a missing root or undefined handler problem. These buttons are useful for testing specific failure types and showing how the agent responds differently based on the incident. The next section is the memory timeline. This screen shows the previous memory entry stored by the system. Each memory represents an incident, a root cause, a fixed memory, and the result of that fix. This is important because the AI agent doesn't start from the zero every time. It looks back at the previous incident and uses them as a context for the new problems. This is how the system begins to learn from the past debugging experience. The next section is the Engineering General. Engineering General is a more detailed record of incident. Here we can review what happened, what was the root cause, whether the memory was used, how confident the agent was, what was the fix applied. This helps developers, team leads and reviewers because it creates a readable post-mortem style history of the debugging process. Instead of losing knowledge in temporary logs or chat messages, the system keeps structured engineering records. The next section is the memory lifestyle section. It explains how memory evolves inside the system. When a new error occurs, the agent searches the memory for similar incident. If it finds a match, it recalls the previous fix and compares it with the current situation. After the incident is revoked, the new result can be stored back into the memory. This creates a continuous learning loop like capture, recall, reflect, fix, validate and store. This is where the idea of recall and reflect becomes important. Recall means the agent searches the past memory incident and retrieves similar cases. Reflect means the agent does not blindly copy the old fix. It compares the current bug with the previous bug and asks whether the same solution is safe, relevant and correct. This improves decision making because the agent is using historical evidence instead of only guessing the current error. Now the AI Insight screen shows higher level intelligence generated from the system. It can highlight risky areas, predict possible future incidents and show how healthy the AI engine is. In real world, this helps the teams to move from reactive debugging to proactive engineering. Instead of only fixing bugs after they happen, teams can identify repeated patterns and reduce future failures. The platform analytics section shows the performance trends. Here we can track metrics like average resolution time and confidence improvement. This helps explain how memory improves the agent decision. If memory recall increases confidence and reduces resolution time, then the system proving that historical contact makes debugging faster and more reliable. The global setting is where the platform level configuration lives. This includes the settings like auto deployment threshold, parcel vector namespace, and the rollback grace window. These settings are important because autonomous debugging could still be controlled. Teams can decide how confident the agent must be before a patch is deployed and how memory should be organized. The top bar also includes explained memory usage. This is useful for judges, reviewers, or new users because it explains the system step by step. It includes capturing an exception, searching vector memory, calculating similarity, guiding the AI reasoner, improving confidence, deploying a patch, and saving the result back to the memory. This feature makes the memory based AI workflow easier to understand. The dashboard also includes theme present. User can switch between Nebula, Matrix, Cyberpunk and Crimson Edge. This does not change the debugging logic, but it improves the presentation experience and let the dashboard adapt visually for demos or different user preferences. In real-world scenarios, ZeroSync Debugger assists multiple users. For developers, it reduces time spent on reading logs and searching for old fixes. For DevOps teams, it helps respond faster during live outages. For support team, it provides cleaner incident status and recovery information. For end users, the result is less downtime, fewer repeated failures, and faster restoration of the services. In short, ZeroSync Debugger combines live incident detection, AI reasoning, memory recall, reflection, analytics, and control recovery in one system. It assists developers, DevOps teams, and support teams by reducing downtime, improving debugging decisions, and helping the AI agent learn from every incident. So this was our project ZeroSync Debugger. I hope you liked it. Thank you.